Welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys the difference between TikTok story and TikTok video. So if I go on my profile over here where it says story, it is basically the story, which means after 24 hours this video is going to be deleted because that is what story is. And everything else outside the story, like all these other videos, are my videos, which means they are not going to be deleted after 24 hours. So whatever photo or video you post as a story, it's going to be deleted after 24 hours, whereas all the video which you post on TikTok outside story is not going to be deleted after 24 hours. So how do you create a story and how do you create a video? Well, the steps to create a video and story is the same. You can click on the plus button at the bottom and it's going to take you to the creating page where you guys can create a story or not. So at the first, it's on the photo section, which means this is the story section. So whatever video or photo I record from over here is going to be uploaded as a story. So for an example, I'm going to record a 3-second clip over here. And as you guys can see, it's giving me this option, your story. And if I click on your story, this video is going to be uploaded as a story. That's how you upload a story. Now, if you want to upload a video, you want to click on the same plus button at the bottom of the screen on TikTok. But this time, instead of photo, you want to click on 15S, 16S or 10M, any one of these three, alright? Now I will suggest you to click on 60S. It's going to allow you to create a 60-second video. If you click on 10M, it's going to allow you to create a 10-minute video. But most of the time, we just create a 60-second video. So click on 60S and then just start recording a video. Now any video you record from over here is not going to be uploaded as a story. So I stopped the recording. I click on the tick mark, I click on next, and I can add any caption over here for my video. I can click on post and it's going to be posted as a post, not as a story, which means it's not going to be deleted after 24 hours. So that's the difference between TikTok story and TikTok video. One is going to be deleted after 24 hours, the other is not. So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.